I think I'm going to speak from a point of my gift and the things that I identify in this space that is a commonality. And I'm speaking from Bula, forgive me if I am crossing the line with you, forgive me if I touch a very sore spot. But the big thing here is the mother wound. It is the womb. And the misconception is that the womb only belongs to the woman. The man also has the womb. The man also spiritually gives birth to things. And the male womb also needs to be tended to, because we all have the chakra that is here. So the womb is universal, The water is also the womb. I see the water as the womb, as the God as well, because it's a creative space. It's a space that can carry and nurture a whole child. The child lives in the water for 9 months, So I see the water as a big womb as well. So what I want to focus on is the mother wound, which for me is the most dangerous wound. Some may talk about daddy issues, with daddy issues, with daddy issues. But the most dangerous and the most scathing is the mother wound. Is the mother wound, because we never think to confront the mother. We always say, oh, Babami, be married. But then you're sitting with a woman at home who is so hurt and broken because of that. You are sitting no Mame Kaya, who's carrying generations of hurt, who's carrying generations of, because whatever is happening now to you is nothing new. Yindo evela emandulo. Whatever presents itself in your life as a pain, as a trauma, as an issue, yindo yasemandulo. And that is factual in the spiritual realm. Yindo yavele no ugogo njalo njalo, and it's presenting itself within you because it still needs to be tended to. Islonda esdingwa bobozwa. Right? So the reason I'm saying the mother wound is the most dangerous is because the woman has the most influence in a child's life. You will eat more from your mother than you would your father. And you will eat more from your mother because there's an umbilical cord that connects you to her. So we inherit pain that we can never imagine, that we don't know of, because our mama too, especially a black mother opposed colonization, they needed to be strong. You understand? So bazala with that strength, we don't know the things that they've gone through. We just see, but they never really sit down with you and say, you never know. You just see these things sort of presenting in your life. But I was rooting Jan. Some of you are getting through traumas, and you think it never begins with nothing. That is a pain, that is a trauma, that is an issue, begins with you. If when ukule in a home that is fatherless, she too grew up in a home that is fatherless. Now, no mama had to experience the same thing and jalo. So please, when I say the mother wound, find time, sit down with your mother. In my late 30s, I only sat down with my mother late last year and said, who are you? Tell me about yourself. Because that was the first time I liked my mother. Because of the mother wound, I could not love my mother enough to get to know her. She's 75. She had to sit me down and say, Mina ngangena esikolweni bani bese, and then I studied this and then I studied this. All my life I did not know anything about my mother because she was so closed off, she was so hurt. And therefore I was hurt because hurt people hurt others. When uhleli noma already, hey, ma already, is always screaming in. You don't know the depth of ilonda inside of that woman that are unhealed and now present to you as a child, as a daughter, as a son. And today you're just like, hey, mommy, hey. Today I'm challenging you to find the time to go sit down with her and say, Unjani Mara. Leso sikhathi uncane kwenzakaleni. Ungene isikolo. Because no one takes the time. Yes, we say Happy Mother's Day. My mother is a strong woman. As mommy in a stab, but you don't really know what that woman has gone through in depth. Namhlanje, you think you are neurospicy, you have ADHD, you have OCD, you can't focus, you start something, you can't finish. Interrogate the womb. Search what happened in the womb. Yeah. Go and ask the womb, ukuthi kwenze njani. You will find so many similarities and commonalities. The things that you think that you've gone through alone and you won't tell anyone, your mother or your grandmother or your great-grandmother went through it. And you need, if you want izinto zakho ziqale zilunge, if ufuna izinto zakho zivuleke empilweni, go interrogate the womb. Go to the water, because the water has memory.
Yes.
Hambe uyozithola ukuthi ngibobani. And most of who you are comes from umama. Yebo ngathi mina ngiphethe isibongo saka, because I heard a lot of men here say mina isibongo saka mama. There's a reason why uthwele isibongo saka mama.
Of course.
You know, we need to move away from saying, the man is the head. If you look properly, nakhuli is all mama endlini. Even if there was a father, but it's isicathulo besishaya sakabani.
Yes.
And we are not saying ukuthi amadoda have no voice and men are so important.
Yes.
But we are fatherless as well in our country, in our world, because of the mother wound. Not the father wound. Yes, ubaba angahamba, angabuyi, kodwa if your mother does the same thing, if umama ohambayo angabuyi, it's different. The woman who will hustle to make sure that your belly is full is your mother, but your father can go, akhohle nokuthi uyaphila. That's how important mothers are. So if you can't connect with your mother, something there is broken, and not necessarily kuwe, but in the womb. Kunento elimele, kunesilonda. So for the answers that you seek in your life, the solution is to go interrogate the womb. That's the foundation of your healing. If you can't get to umama, mhlawumbe umama udlulile emhlabeni, qala kuwe. Qala here ngaphakathi kuwe, because everybody has a womb. Qala kuwe, you will understand why relationships are moving the way they are moving in your life. Platonic or romantic. You will understand why the relationship in your profession is the way it is. Are you focused? Are you disciplined? Are you all over the place? You touch one thing, then you touch another. Go interrogate your womb. Kwenzakaleni, ulimazwe yini? Ulimazwe yini kangaka? In your womb space, in your sacral. When you start there, you will get the light and the answers that you seek. Because the water has a memory. So what?